Okay. Careful. That has nothing to do with it. That's just...
Holy crap.
Oops. Part of it fell off, apparently. Do you recognize it?
Yes.
That's alright, it fell off earlier. I did not make this, by the way.
It's Casper! It's Casper! That's cool.
You were supposed to get it at Christmas, but the guy making it was really slow. He barely got it done just now. I just got it today. Oops, I think I'm going to have to use yours because I'm trying to use this. Oh man, my hands are shaking. Oh well.
Wow.
Yeah, huh?
Uh-huh.
Look how much it looks like the real one.
Uh-huh. That's good.
Did you just break something else?
No, I did not. It's magnetic.
I know where it goes. It goes right there. This goes there. So you like it?
Yes.
You better like it a lot, because that was a lot of work.
It's good.
Even though I didn't build it, I had to get somebody to do it.
That goes there.
Wanna know how much it costs?
Nope.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
It'll make it even worse. It'll make you be like really careful with it. Okay, how much do you think it cost? How about that?
A lot.
How much?
A lot.
That's it? That's all you're gonna say?
Uh-huh.
See, now you can put little guys in there and play.
Uh-huh.
I wanted it to be bigger, but I couldn't afford that. That would have been crazy.
Insane. Cool.
Yay! My hands are shaking. This video is not gonna be. It's gonna be worthless. Oh, I've been holding this other one down here, so that's probably gonna be worthless too. Okay. You can hug me if you want, and I can videotape it. Or you can keep inspecting that. That's supposed to be the front door. Hmm? No. I couldn't get that detailed. Ta-da!
Really cool.
There you go.